What's up, guys? Just wait. Royal Galaxy B. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I didn't mean that. We're gonna play Iron Man Simulator today. Okay, let's go do it. Okay, so there, we're in the game. And I just got the War Machine. What do you think? Looks cool, right? Yeah, um, it's completely new. Should I? I think I should turn down all the sounds. Just wait. Sorry about that. I didn't really mean that. So I'm just gonna do like that. Just wait. I gotta put on pause. Okay, so there. So I just got pancakes. Yeah, they taste good. So this game is all about killing or shooting other people just like Iron Man, but there's different kind of suits. There could be War Machine, like I'm wearing right now. He shoots really fast, but he costs Robux. And you can be Iron Man. You can be anybody you want. So I'm just gonna give a sponsorship to Roblox. Go check it out. It's on mobile and PC and other devices. And yeah, go check it out. It's really fun. It's free. And yeah, well, don't try it out yet since I'm here. But you can try it out later. I'm just gonna shoot whoever that is. Who do you think you are? Iron Man? Nope. So yeah, I just got pancakes. Ah, hot. Ow. Yeah, as you could see, someone was walking right behind me. That was my dad. Oh no. Oh no. Fly away. Fly away in the sky. By the way, yeah, check. By the way, you guys should check out Joker Noob. He has a guest Roblox, or he has a drawn guest on his logo, and yeah, go check him out. He has 50 or 60 subscribers, and yes, I'm making all these videos in the same day, by the way. It's kind of cool, that's what I think, and it's fun. So yeah, you guys should check out him. Just wait, I gotta put on pause again. So yeah, the game is all about shooting other people, like I just told you, and like you can see, there's plenty of people right here. Um, I'm gonna ask my friend, or I'm gonna call my friend right now and ask if he or she could join me, because I'm making a YouTube video. So if you hear calling in the background, just ignore that. So yeah, my favorite game is Jailbreak, but I'm gonna play this. I'm gonna play this today. Comment down below what you want me to play, and what you want me to play next. But I'm not done with the video yet, so don't comment yet. Comment when the video is done. What you think. Oh, and you should check out Chad Wild Clay. He's a YouTuber ninja that loves to do experiments, and right by now they're getting hacked. A hacking story, so you should go check them out. They're really fun. Oh, my friend didn't answer, so yeah. If that's okay for you. Oh, I have low power. Now, 3, So I just want to show you guys what happened when your power is all the way out, because when it's all the way out, something cool happens. So I'm just gonna stand over here. Oh, maybe that's a bad place to stand. I'm just gonna go inside the vent. Oh, okay. So that's what happens if your suit goes out of power, and then you have to go out. There. So you have to go out. I'm just gonna move my screen away. So I have to go out. Destroy it. Destroy. Boom. Watch this. I get pushed so fast. I don't know why. Now you just need to call in a new suit. I'm gonna do Mark 3, which is which is the good normal Iron Man suit. And this is what I always like to do. You know, just fly around while your suit is creeping behind you right there, if you can see it. Look there. You see it? You see it right there? Just wait. Yeah, that suit. So that suit is following after me. I'm gonna do like this, land on the ground, and that's gonna come on. That's what I love with this with this admin in the game. I wish I could get an admin though. It would be so cool. My friend actually has admin in the game, Joker Noob, which I was talking about earlier. So still, you guys should check him out. But right now, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below what is your favorite game in Roblox. And if you don't play, bad for you. You gotta download. Download Roblox sponsorship right now. Okay, bye bye.